Hello students, how are you? I am sure that you are enjoying the logical reasoning question as well as find my mind twisting series very interesting. Today in continuation with this, I again bring a very new question and very interesting question. Let us start. But before doing the new question, let us first find out the answer of the question which I gave you in my previous video. Let us first read the statement of the question, and the statement is what is the 2991th digit of the series in which the whole numbers are written in the order, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Let us start with the answer. To understand the answer, we'll make the table as we have done in the previous video. So first column will be whole numbers, then total digits, and last column will be digits left. Let us start the single digit numbers. 0 to 9 are the single digits, so total numbers are 10. So total digits again will be 10. So digits left will be 2981. Now we move the double digit numbers or two digit numbers. These are 10 to 99 and total numbers will be 90. So total digits will be 180 and digits left will be 2801. Now we move to the triple digit numbers, that is 100 to 999, and there are 900 numbers and digits are 2700. So digits left will be 101. Now last is the 4 digit numbers, 1000 to 1024, there are 25 numbers and 100 digits. So digits left will be 1. That will lie in the next number, that is 1025, and its first digit will be our answer, that is 2991 digit is 1. Hope you have understood this answer nicely and clearly. Let us start with a new question. Let us first read the statement of the question, that is a bird is flying between two trains traveling towards each other on same track with a speed of 120 km per hour. The bird reaches to one engine and reverses itself immediately and flies back to the other engine, repeating this process till the two trains meet. If the bird is flying at a speed of 80 km per hour and covered a distance of 160 km before the trains meet, how far were the trains initially? Let us first understand the question. And this is just flow chart for the question. These are two trains which are moving with 120 km per hour speed towards each other. And this bird is flying between these two trains like this way with a speed of 80 km per hour. Now we move to the calculation part. Let us first calculate the time taken by bird to travel 160 km. So speed of bird is 80 km per hour. Distance covered by bird is 160 km. So time taken will be distance upon speed, that is 2 hours. Now we will calculate the distance travelled by the train in 2 hours. Speed of the train is 120 km and time taken is 2 hours. So distance travelled will be 240 km by one train. The total distance travelled by two trains will be 240 plus 240 is equal to 480 km. Now I am writing one more question for you to solve at home. Answer I will give you in my next video. And the question is, Raj and his son Adi go for a walk around the track formed by a equilateral triangle. Raj's running speed is 5 meter per hour and walking speed is 1 meter per hour. Adi's running speed and the walking speed is 4 times that of his father's. Both start together from one vertex of triangle and the son going clockwise and the father going anti-clockwise. Initially father runs and the son walks, but as soon as father started walking, the son started running. Both completed the track around in 60 minutes. For how long the father runs and where do they cross each other? I am hopeful that you enjoy my series of mind twisters and able to solve the questions which I gave at the end of the video. If you face any problem or have any doubt, do write in the comment section. If you like my video, share it with your friends as well as subscribe my channel for regular updates. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.